Welcome to Talal Al Jazeera Trucks Heavy Equipment Sergeant Cyilender 3. Today I have this beautiful Cummins engine 4-stroke in full power, 100% in working condition. Please do subscribe our channel to watch more videos regarding engines and heavy equipment spare parts. I will let you know in this video that this engine is 4-cylinder. You can see the details. You can check all around this engine. We have 10 engines available. This Cummins engine. This is the generator of this engine. You can see the condition. It is neat and clean. The engine is 100% in working condition. So you can check. We will give you guarantee as well for this engine. If you want to buy, please do contact Talal Al Jazeera Trucks Heavy Equipment Charge Industrial Area 3. And don't forget to subscribe our channel Talal Al Jazeera for more videos like these informative videos regarding trucks, heavy equipment, spare parts, engines and heavy machinery. Thank you very much guys. Please keep supporting our channel to watch more videos. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.